Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 4.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
European shares climbed for the third straight session as cooling inflation in Germany and a slew of upbeat earnings offset concerns over hawkish comments by top central bank policymakers and alleviated fears of a steep recession. Binance is looking to hire a full-time EU lobbyist at a time when the bloc is finalising wide-range crypto regulation. The policy comms director would be responsible for shaping a communications narrative and creating impactful campaigns around corporate, regulatory and political developments impacting the company across the EU, said a job ad posted on the Binance website. Bullish bets on most Asian currencies eased as strong US economic data recently gave the dollar a fillip and raised bets that interest rates would remain higher for longer.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1900 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. The Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 1100 hours GMT. Finland's current account will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.